So this lesson is definitely very project heavy. So with that in mind, we're going to do another project. This is going to be a grocery list. So this is similar to the grocery shopping app that you built before. The main difference is that it's going to be able to update automatically in HTML, and there'll be a button here that asks for the user input, as well as these delete buttons here to make it a little bit more interesting of a grocery list, rather than having to constantly use the alerts and the prompts like we did in the prior lessons. So the key hints that I'll give you for this one are you again have to use this .append JQuery method. You'll have to use some HTML as well as a variable that you get from the code. You can use this .remove to remove one of the lines. You can also use the .click or the .on button. If you remember, there's a difference between this function and that function. Basically, the .click method sometimes just doesn't work, at which point you'll need to do the .on method. So I'll let you figure out when it works and when it doesn't work. Hint, it might not work this time, otherwise I wouldn't be giving you this as a hint. But these are basically all the different things that you need to know that might be a little tricky. Once you complete it, it should look like this. So it'll be grocery list. You can click on this button to add new item, and you can enter in your item. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So it automatically adds in the item and creates a little delete button. And then you can add another item, creates another delete button, and you can keep on doing this. Keeps on creating a delete button. And if you click delete, it'll delete the specific item rather than the last item or the first item. So pretty simple but useful app. So go ahead and give it a try, and we'll go over the answer in the next lesson.